5. Nice. Five more. Keep that going, Madison. Nice. 2 more. Keep pushing those knees out and up. Good. Very nice. Right on over to our front-loaded lunges. Here we go. Let's see it. Good. Halfway. Two more. Last one. Good. We'll go right to that other side. Very nice. Here we go. Nice. Two more. Last one. Good. What we're going to do, Madison, set the kettlebell down, take the Viking trainer off. We're just going to go into goblet squats and front-loaded lunges. So go ahead, just take that Viking trainer off. We just have one more set of squats, lunges left.
Is this sweat not good for your video?
No, that's great for it. That's great for it. Views, views, views. Content, content, content. Good breathing. We'll get these 15.
We're going to hit the wall?
Just face it wherever you want. Nice controlled with it. Last 15, pushing those hips back, pushing those knees out as we come up from the bottom. Very nice. Good. 8. 5 more. Good. Last 3. 2 more. Last one, Madison. Let's see it. All right. Let's go 5 alternating reverse lunges each way. So a little bit different. 5 each way. We're setting that down.
Wait, I'm setting this down?
No. Yeah, after you do it, we'll set it on down. Good. Go to the other side. Very nice. Good adjustment. 2 more. Last one. Good. Very nice. You set that right on down. Beautiful.